Hello everyone, welcome back again to VariCAD channel. Today we are going to create 3D models with VariCAD 2021. Okay, first in here I will create 2D sketch. You can click this icon 2D. The next in here I will create circles. Click these tools. Create a circle from a center point. You can click start from this point. And I will press the tab button. We can set for length into 18. Press enter. The next you can press escape button to close this command. You can select these objects and we can copy with these tools. You can click from this point, move to the right here. We can set for distance into 40 and you can choose copy tools in here. You can click OK. The next I will create line. Start from this point into this point. Right click to apply. We create again from this point into here. Now I will create a construction line. You can click these tools, construction lines. Okay, I will click from center point, move to the top. We create again from center point with these snap tools. You can click into this point. You can right click to close or you can press escape button. In there I will use trim command. You can click here, trim, select these objects and click at this circle, click again. The next you can right click to cut. We use trim command again and select these objects, click in here twice and right click to cut. Next you can delete this construction line. I will click this line command and you can click offset the command. The next I will offset this object into 10 for distance. You can set offset at distance and temporary integrated polylines. You can click OK. Now you can select these objects, click again and click again. Next you can select these all lines. You can click inside here. We can offset again. You can click here. I will offset in here with offset distance 2. Click OK. Now we select again at these objects. Click again, select all lines or objects and you can click inside there. The next we can create circle. We can click this tool, circle from center point. We can click here, center snap. Click at these objects and we can set in here with radius 3. You can press tab button and choose length or radius in here into 3. You can press OK. We use mirror tool to mirror these objects. Right click, mirror, and I will click from create mirror line by 2 points. You can click from middle point in here, move into here. So it will be copied. We create a circle again. Okay, I will use these tools between 2 points. I will click start from these points, move into here. We can set with radius 3. Okay, the next I will create circle at this points. You can use this tool from 2 points. You can set radius into 3. And for these objects, I will use copy tools. Mirror tools. Okay, and you can click start from this point into this point. Now you can select these 3 objects, right click, mirror and OK, click from this point, move to the top. Now how to convert this sketch into 3D models. You can use these tools, extrude, select click, and for height in here we can set into 5. Select profile, you can select this profile, you can select one by one. The next you can right click and now we can choose from center point for base point in here. We click again from center point in here. So it will be automatically changed into 3D models and we have these tools. You can change, you can right click to apply. So it will be automatically applied into these objects. You can see. You also can change preview in here. Like we can change into isometric, or we can change into perpendicular planes, or you can use this top view and front view and the others. To edit this object, you can right click and choose translate or copy. We change into isometric. Now in here we can rotate in this axis, x-axis. We can rotate. You can use these tools to rotate 90 degree, and you can click OK. So it will be automatically rotated. You can right click to apply. We can change again into 3D sketch, and now I will extrude this object. So you can click here extrude, select for height you can set -15. Select the object, you can select this object, right click, and now we can choose from center point. In here we set into center point. Okay, the next we can rotate in x-axis into 90 degree. You can right click to apply. To combine between these two objects, you can use these tools, add solid, select this object, and also in here, so it will be automatically combined between these two objects. We change again into 3D sketch, and I will extrude at this point. You can use extrude tools. Okay, we select for height, we can set into 25. Okay, we'll select this sketch, and we can right click. We can use center point again, and now it will be automatically attached. The next we can use move tools in this axis. We can select in here to move the objects, and we can set into -30. We can click OK, so it will be moved to the top here with 30. You can right click to apply. To cut this object, you can use these tools. Cut deleting cutting solid, you can click and selecting cutting object, you can select this object, and now for base object you can click this object, so it will be automatically cut into this object. We go back into the sketch, and now I will select this object. We can extrude. Okay, I will set in here into 25. We can click select profile to extrude, and now we can right click. Don't forget to set into center point, and then in here I will move in a z-axis into 15. Click OK, so it will be automatically move. And I will change into front view. You can click here front view, you can right click to apply. The next I will select this object. You can right click and you can choose mirror tools. We can set by 3 points, and I will click from this point 1, 2, and 3. So it will be automatically create mirror objects. The next we can use cut tool again. You can click these objects, this command cut, select this object and click in here, click again and click inside. Now we back again into the sketch, and I will extrude these objects. We need to extrude one by one. Okay, select this object for profile, right click, don't forget to set from a center point. Okay, we extrude. Next we extrude again in this circle. Okay, click from center point and also in here from center point. Right click, the last we no right click, so it will be not applied to these objects. You can select these objects, extrude, select profile from center point, right click to apply. The next this object, right click from center point, right click to apply. Now in here we can use mirror tools. We can select these objects, right click, use a mirror. We can set into by 3 points. Click from middle point in here. Also click at this point and click in here. So it will be correct to another side. The last, we can use cut tools. We can cut in here. So you can cut one by one by selecting these cylinder objects and the base objects. Okay, we can change into isometric view. Okay, we already create these simple 3D models with VariCAD 2021. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.